Python has emerged as a powerful and versatile programming language, especially in the realm of data analysis. Its simplicity, extensive libraries, and wide adoption have made it an indispensable tool for data analysts. Python's rich ecosystem enables analysts to extract meaningful insights from raw data, perform complex computations, and create visually appealing representations of their findings. In this article, we will explore the key features and benefits of Python for data analysts, highlighting its capabilities in data processing, statistical analysis, and visualization. Data processing and manipulation. Python provides a comprehensive suite of libraries, such as NumPy and Pandas, that facilitate efficient data processing and manipulation. These libraries offer powerful data structures and functions, enabling analysts to handle large datasets with ease. NumPy provides multidimensional arrays and mathematical functions, while Pandas offers high-performance, easy-to-use data structures like DataFrames. With these tools, data analysts can perform tasks such as cleaning data, transforming variables, merging datasets, and handling missing values, all in a straightforward and intuitive manner. Statistical analysis and modeling. Python's data analysis libraries, including scipy and stats models, equip analysts with a wide range of statistical techniques for exploring and modeling data. scipy provides functions for scientific computing, interpolation, optimization, and integration, while stats models offers a comprehensive set of statistical models and tools for regression analysis, time series analysis, hypothesis testing, and more. These libraries empower data analysts to apply advanced statistical methods and validate hypotheses, allowing them to uncover meaningful patterns and relationships within datasets. Machine learning. Python has become the go-to language for machine learning tasks, thanks to libraries like scikit-learn and TensorFlow. These libraries offer a vast collection of machine learning algorithms, ranging from simple linear regression to complex deep neural networks. Data analysts can leverage these tools to build predictive models, perform clustering, classification, and regression tasks, and even implement advanced natural language processing techniques. Python syntax, combined with the extensive machine learning ecosystem, provides analysts with the flexibility and power to tackle a wide range of data-driven challenges. Visualization. Visualizing data is a crucial aspect of data analysis, as it allows analysts to communicate insights effectively. Python excels in this area with libraries like matplotlib and seaborn, which provide an extensive set of tools for creating high-quality plots, charts, and graphs. Matplotlib offers flexibility and customization options, enabling analysts to create publication-ready visualizations. Seaborn, on the other hand, focuses on enhancing the aesthetics of plots and providing statistical visualization capabilities. Additionally, libraries like Plotly and Bokeh enable interactive and web-based visualizations, further enriching the analyst's toolkit. Integration and collaboration. Python's versatility extends beyond data analysis itself. It integrates seamlessly with other technologies and tools, making it an ideal language for collaboration and workflow integration. Python's interoperability allows analysts to incorporate data analysis into larger software systems, connect to databases, and interact with web APIs. Furthermore, Python integrates well with popular data science platforms like Jupyter Notebook and Anaconda, facilitating reproducibility and code sharing among analysts. This interoperability and collaborative potential make Python an excellent choice for data analysts working in diverse environments. Conclusion: Python has revolutionized the field of data analysis, empowering analysts with its simplicity, vast libraries, and extensive community support. Its capabilities in data processing, statistical analysis, machine learning, and visualization provide data analysts with the tools needed to extract valuable insights from complex datasets. Python's integration and collaborative potential further enhance its appeal as a go-to language for data analysis. As the field of data analysis continues to evolve, Python remains at the forefront, enabling analysts to make data-driven decisions and contribute to the growth and success of their organizations.